In this video, I will talk about the 4 simple steps that I am personally using to promote affiliate products on YouTube Shorts and how you can do the same. And here is some of the payment proof that I earned by doing the same thing that I want to show you in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end and don't miss anything. You can see this is my Gmail account and you can see here I earned $1,350 from just one sale. And you can see this is the live proof. I will refresh my page. So this is the live proof, and inside this video I will show you the exact method which I followed on this type of commission. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in the first step you need to find a good affiliate product to promote. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches that you can use to find good affiliate product to promote, which is health, wealth and relationship. So these are the 3 main niches, but there are lots of sub niches inside the main niche. So if I talk about health, then there is a weight loss, keto diet, bodybuilding, which is the sub niche inside the health niche. And inside the wealth niche, there is a make money online, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, which is a sub niche. And if I talk about relationship niche, then there is a dating advice, love, which is a sub niche inside the relationship niche. So when you are going to find a product to promote, then pick a product inside the sub niche, not in the main niche. And when you pick a product, then don't choose a product from marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, because inside these marketplaces there are lots of products which are crappy products. So instead you can promote private affiliate products. So if you want to promote any funnel builder, then you can promote ClickFunnels, Systemy.io, and if you want to promote any autoresponder, then you can promote GetResponse. And you can also promote a lots of high ticket courses inside any niche. And you need to promote a product that can solve the specific problem for your audience, because if you are just promoting a product to earn a good commission and that product is not good and the product can't help your audience to solve the specific problem, then you will not make more sales. So always promote a product that can solve the specific problem for your audience. And when you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then only start with one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time. So when you decide any good product to promote, then stick with one product. Build your funnel, build your email autoresponder to promote only one product. And if you want to promote more than one product, then you can promote a product on the back end, but not in the front end. And if you want to find good affiliate product to promote, then go to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and see what others are promoting. So for example, if you select affiliate marketing niche, then go to the social media platforms and search affiliate marketing, and you will see lots of different creators who are promoting a product inside affiliate marketing niche. And when you see lots of other marketers are promoting the same product in the same niche, then you also need to start promoting that product, because if lots of affiliates are promoting the same product, that means they are making money by promoting that product. So you also need to start promoting that product, and don't worry about competition, because you are unique and you will promote a product at your unique way. So don't worry about competition and start promoting the products that other affiliates are promoting. And if I talk about myself, then right now I'm in a wealth niche, and inside the wealth niche I'm in a make money online niche, and inside the make money online niche I'm in affiliate marketing niche. And right now I'm promoting the product that can help people to start their high ticket affiliate marketing business. So right now I'm promoting a product which is called Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can start their affiliate marketing business. So when I was searching for a product to promote inside the affiliate marketing niche, then I see that lots of other affiliate marketers who are in affiliate marketing niche, they are promoting Legendary Marketer. So that's why I started promoting Legendary Marketer. And right now I'm promoting this course because of the 2 main reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people great online marketing education and show them how they can start their affiliate marketing business. And the second reason is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because they have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decides to purchase, then as an affiliate, you can earn $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the 2 main reason right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. And they have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside that challenge, they will show you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. And the cool thing about this challenge is once you start this challenge, then you will get your one-on-one business per advisor. So once you start this challenge, then you need to book the Zoom meeting with your advisor, and your advisor will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So once you select a product to promote, then in a second step, you need to create a reels on YouTube Shorts to get free targeted traffic. So now I will show you 4 simple steps that you can use to get a free traffic and leads using YouTube Shorts. So in the first step, you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So suppose if you are in affiliate marketing niche, then you need to find 10 other people who are also creating a content inside affiliate marketing niche. And if you want to find the creators, then what you can do, you can go to YouTube search bar and search affiliate marketing and then search like hashtag shorts. So if you do this, then you will get a lots of shorts about affiliate marketing from the creators who are creating a content on affiliate marketing. That's how you can find a lots of creators who are creating a shorts in affiliate marketing niche. And once you find the creators, then find their 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go to their account and see which videos got more views and more likes. And then you need to start recreating those content. So don't copy word by word. Just model that content and add your own twist on it. And you can also focus on their hook, story and offer framework, which I will show you later in this video. And then the last and most important step is you need to repeat these steps over and over again, because if you are not consistent, then you will never get any views on YouTube Shorts. So now I will show you my actual YouTube Shorts account and show you that which framework I am using to create all of my YouTube Shorts. So here is the YouTube channel that you are watching right now, and you can see I am creating a lots of YouTube Shorts inside my YouTube channel. And you can see I only have a 570 subscribers, but I am getting a thousands of views inside my YouTube Shorts. So now I will show you one of my YouTube Shorts as an example, and then I will explain that which framework I am using to create all of my YouTube Shorts. So now you are going to watch one of my YouTube Shorts and then I will explain. I think you already know that affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start, but you might not know that you can do affiliate marketing without any following. For that, I suggest you to create a short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. You will get a ton of traffic even if you have a new account and without any following. You just need to create a content on these short form platforms so that it will attract the ideal customers for the product that you are promoting. If you want to know how you can start today, then check the first comment of this video and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So you already watched my YouTube Shorts. So I'm using hook, story and offer framework to create all of my YouTube Shorts. So in my hook, I told my audience that affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start without any following. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing. So that's why I created this hook. And then in a story, I told my audience that create a short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. And you will get more traffic even if you have a new account. And it will attract the ideal customer for the product that you are promoting. So in my story, I justified the hook that if you want to start affiliate marketing without any following, then you need to create a content on short form platforms. And then at the end of my reel, or you can say offer or call to action, I told my audience that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So once they click the link in my first comment, then they will go to my funnel and then I will capture their name and email address that I will show you later in this video. And you can use the hook, story and offer framework to promote any product in any niche. And make sure at the end of all of your reels, you need to give a call to action to your audience that what they need to do once they watch your reel. Now once you start creating a content on YouTube Shorts, then in a third step, you need to create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So as I told you before, at the end of all of my YouTube Shorts, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. So when someone click the link in my first comment, then they will come to this page. So this page is called landing page, and inside this page, I will capture people's name and email address. And then once they click here in this button, then they directly go to the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And inside this page, I have a small video that talk about the affiliate offer which I am promoting. And once they click here in this button, then they directly go to the sales page of the product which I am promoting. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And inside my landing page, I already capture people's name and email address. So I will follow up with them with email automation and talk about the affiliate product over and over again. So eventually in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So this is one of my YouTube short, and here you can see this is my first comment, and inside the comment I have one link. So when someone click here in this link, then they directly go to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called a landing page. And inside this page, I give people my free affiliate marketing case study. So when someone click here in this button, Then here I write, enter your best email below to receive free case study. So when someone give me their name and email address and click here, then they go to the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And inside this page, at the beginning of this video, I told my audience that how you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, and later in this video, I talk about the affiliate offer which I am promoting. And I told my audience that if you want to learn more about the offer, then click here in this button. So when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of the offer which I am promoting. And inside this page, I have a small presentation from the creator of legendary marketer Dev Shah. And inside this presentation, Dev will explain everything to my audience once they start the 15-day business pillar challenge by legendary marketer. So if someone wants to get instant access, then they click here and they directly go to the checkout page. And once they purchase a 15-day business pillar challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. Now you think why I am promoting this challenge? Because this is the same challenge that I started with. When I was a beginner affiliate marketer and I don't know how to start affiliate marketing the right way, then someone recommend me this challenge. Then I go through the whole challenge and started implementing everything that they teach me. And right now I am making money with affiliate marketing. So if my audience is a beginner affiliate marketer, then I also recommend this challenge to my audience. And once they start the 15-day challenge, then they will learn all of these things. And once you start this challenge, then you will get a lots of bonuses. So you will get a 7 bonuses which is worth $3,576 in value, and you will get everything for just $7. So you don't have anything to lose. But if you start this challenge and implement it, then it can change your life. So if you want to learn more about the 15-day business builder challenge, then check the link in the description below. And if you want to start with legendary marketer, then I will give you more bonuses which is worth $2,000. And I will also allow you to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So you can clone my entire funnel, you can clone my entire email automation sequence with just one click. So if you want to clone my entire affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below. Now once you create your funnel, then in a step 4, you need to create email automation sequence to follow up with your leads. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I'm using to promote legendary marketer. So here is the free software that I'm using to create all of my funnel and my email automation sequence. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because even in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools which is required. So if you want to start with this free software, then check the link in the description below and create a free account today. And here I'm getting people's email address every single day by following the same strategy that I show you before. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then here I have a lots of pre-written emails inside my email automation sequence. So once someone give me their name and email address inside this page, then they will get a 31 pre-written emails. So now I will show you some of my email so you can easily understand. So you can see inside my first email, I write, here is the case study that you requested. So when someone opens this email, then inside the email, I have one link which says affiliate marketing case study. So when someone opens this link, then inside this page, they will get my free affiliate marketing case study. So I have a 40-minute long case study, and inside this case study, I will show my audience everything that I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So I have a 40-minute long case study, and inside this case study, I show my audience everything that I am doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. Now in my second email, I write, let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So inside this email, I told my story to my audience. I told my audience that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are making money by doing affiliate marketing. And at the end of the email, I have one link which says sign up with legendary marketer. So when someone click on that link, then they directly go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they watch the free presentation and start the 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told my story to my audience, because I know that if my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase a product that I am promoting. Then inside this email, I write, proof, is legendary marketer legit? So when someone opens this email, then inside the email, I talk about the creator of legendary marketer Dev Shah. So Dev Shah featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine. And these two magazines are very popular magazine all around the world. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside the magazine, then definitely legendary marketer is a legit. And then at the end of the email, I have one link which says sign up with legendary marketer. So when someone click on that link, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using that email, I told my audience that if the creator of legendary marketer Dev Shah, he featured in these magazines, then definitely legendary marketer is a legit. Then inside this email, I write proof affiliate marketing works. So when someone opens this email, Then inside this email, I talk about the base strategy for beginners. So when someone click here in this button, then they come to this page. So inside this page, I have a lots of reviews of other people about Legendary Marketer. And I took this screenshot from the Facebook group of Legendary Marketer. So here you can see this guy says, I made my first ever commission. So people are earning their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. You can see this girl says the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM, Miss Legendary Marketer. So people are earning their first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. So by using this email, I told my audience that if they can do it, then you can also do it. And if you want to start with high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here in this button. So when someone click here, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they watch a short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, and start the 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. Now I will show you one last email. So here I write interview, how Herschel got success with affiliate marketing. So when someone open this email, then inside this email I write click here to watch Herschel's amazing interview with Dev Sharp. So when someone click here, they come to this page. So inside this page, I have an interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And inside this interview, I told my story that how I started taking training from Legendary Marketer, and right now I'm making money with affiliate marketing. So by using this interview, I told my audience that if I can do it, then you can also do it. And if you want to start, then click here in this button. So when someone click here, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So I think you already got my point. The main purpose of your email automation sequence is to remove all of the potential objection of your audience. And once you do this, then they will definitely purchase a product that you are recommending, and you will get a commission. And this is the exact 4 step that I used to earn $1,350 from just one sale by promoting Legendary Marketer. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Because inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. And if you got a value from this video, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.